The TP69 6.5 litre manual oil and fluid vacuum extractor. It's designed for the extraction of engine and transmission oils from cars, motorcycles, marine craft, stationary engines and industrial machinery. This excellent device is supplied with 5.8 and 6.7mm diameter suction tubes, which enables it to drain up to 6.5 litres of oil through the dipstick tube. Just run the engine for 5 minutes, connect the probe and push it into the dipstick tube. Now stand on the footplate and pump the handle to build up the vacuum pressure. And the TP69 does the rest. It stops automatically when it's full, leaving you free to get on with other jobs. They can also be used for low viscosity fluids, such as water, making them ideal for draining fish tanks, toilets and sinks. And when you've finished, simply tip the waste fluid into a suitable container and you're ready for the next job. The TP69. Quick, clean and simple to use.